Security in Times Square is being ramped up ahead of New Year's Eve. 7,000 officers, 65 trucks, and 100 patrol cars will be placed at intersections around Times Square. Officials say huge 20-ton sanitation trucks with 15 tons of sand will surround the annual festivities. The increased security follows deadly terror attacks in Germany and France by terrorists barreling vehicles into large crowds. In Germany, 12 people were killed and 56 others were hurt at a Berlin Christmas market. And in Nice, France, where 86 people were left dead after a man drove a truck into a crowd celebrating Bastille Day. More than 1 million people are expected to be in Times Square when the ball drops, celebrating the new year. Officials say they do not know of any terror threats.